Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I am Dr. Noreen Khan, lecturer of Biochemistry Department. Today I will discuss about mutation. Mutation, it is the permanent change in the base sequence of DNA involving coding or non-coding region regardless of its functional consequences. Why we are calling regardless of its functional consequences? Because for mutation there may be produce any disease or may not produce any disease. If there is no disease condition after mutation occurs, there will be the genetic polymorphism. If mutation involve in the coding region, then that will express phenotypically. But if mutation involves in the non-coding region of gene, then that will not express phenotypically. Normally, if mutation occurs in the gametogenesis process, then the parent will transmit the disease to his or her offspring. But if mutation occurs in the somatic cell, the transmission will not occur from parent to his or her offspring. Normally, when there is a disbalance between the DNA damage and DNA repair, then the mutation occurs. So, in the mutation, there will be permanent change in the base sequence of DNA which involve the coding or non-coding region regardless of its functional consequences. There are some causes of mutations. Causes of mutations are: number 1, errors in the replication; number 2, error in the recombinant DNA technology; number 4, irradiation. Under irradiation, there are X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet ray. Number 4, mutagens. They are the environmental factors, and mutagens are the chemical substances which will causes alteration in the base sequence, and there will be the permanent change in the DNA structure or bases of the DNA. Such as base analogues, there are alkylating agents, nitrous acid and citrate. These are all mutagens which involved in the mutation process. And last one is spontaneous alteration or loss of the bases, such as deamination of the cytosine into uracil. Now we will discuss about the classification of mutation. Classification of mutation. Classification is divided into 3 categories: genomic mutation, chromosomal mutation and gene mutation. In the genomic mutation, this is characterized by alteration of the chromosome number, where there will be loss or gain of the chromosome in the genome. And in the chromosomal mutation, there will be alteration in the chromosome structure. Either deletion or insertion or translocation occurs in the chromosomal mutation. Normally, chromosomal mutation and genomic mutation is less frequent because high to low survival rate. On the other hand, in the gene mutation, there are alteration in the single base or small number of base level. So, in the gene mutation, there are another classification under gene mutation: point mutation, frame shift mutation, mutation by deletion or insertion of 3 or multiple of 3 bases, and number 4 is triplet repeat mutation. So, mutation is 3 types: genomic mutation, gene mutation and chromosomal mutation, and gene mutation is 4 types: point mutation, frame shift mutation, mutation by deletion or insertion of 3 or multiple of 3 bases, and number 4 is triplet repeat mutation. Now we will discuss about the point mutation, which is under the gene mutation. Point mutation is very important for written and viva. In the point mutation, there will be the submicroscopic change of single base. So, it is pointed by single base substitution. So, it is known as the point mutation. Under the point mutation, there are 3 classifications: silent mutation, missense mutation and nonsense mutation. In the silent mutation, new codon, normally codon is the 3-letter code words. So, where the new codon will be formed by the base substitution which codes for the same amino acid of the parent codon, that is known as the silent mutation. And in the silent mutation, if we give example, there is a GCU which is code for the alanine. When there will be the mutation in the GCU, this will be mutated into GCC, which is also code for alanine. So, the parent codon which was GCU, after mutation it becomes GCC, but both code for alanine. As both codes for alanine, we cannot express is phenotypically, so we cannot understand from outside that it is mutated. So, this is the silent mutation occurs. So, For this reason, this is known as the silent mutation. So in the silent mutation, there is a degeneracy of the codon and there is no phenotypical change, there is no protein synthesis alteration. Now come to the point second, missense mutation. In the missense mutation, there will be the new codon formed by the base substitution which codes for an amino acid which is different from the parent codon. Such as if there is a codon GAG which codes for the glutamate, if after mutation in the GAG it becomes GUG which will code for valine, not for the glutamate. So here the base which change, after changing it codes for different amino acid and this occurs in case of sickle cell anemia. Now come to the point nonsense mutation. Nonsense mutation, here their new codon is formed by the base substitution which turns into the stop codon. So when there will be the beta thalassemia in the beta chain of the hemoglobin where the CAG codon codes for glutamine, when it will turn into UAG, it becomes the stop codon. Truncated protein synthesis stops due to stop codon comes at last. So there will be the truncated protein synthesis in the beta chain. So beta thalassemia occurs. So we will show now some example in the board. In case of silent mutation, where we notice that GCU, this is the codon which codes for alanine. After mutation, when there is a in replace of U, there is a cytosine GCC. This mutant codon, where mutation occurs, this codon also codes for alanine. So both codon codes for alanine, both parent codon and mutant codon. Silently here change occurs. So this is known as the silent mutation. And in case of missense mutation, their GAG codon which codes for glutamate in the 6th position, which will change into GUG. In the 6th position the change occurred, but now it codes for valine. So where in the 6th position GAG was coded for glutamate, now after mutation occurs it codes for valine, different amino acid. So this is missense mutation, and this mutation occurs in case of sickle cell anemia. In the sickle cell anemia, globin chain will be altered synthesis, so there is a sickle cell anemia occurs. In case of nonsense mutation, here codon will turn into the stop codon, such as in case of CAG which codes for the glutamine. Now when it will change into UAG, it will turn into the stop codon. Normally stop codon, we have 3 stop codon in our body: UAG, UGA and UAA. So one of them is UAG. So when in the mutation stop codon come, that is known as that mutation is known as the nonsense mutation. So in the nonsense mutation, the example is beta thalassemia. So in the beta thalassemia patient, their codon will turn into the stop codon after mutation. Now come to the point number 2, frame shift mutation. In the frame shift mutation, there will be deletion or insertion of 1 or 2 or more than 2, but not 3 or not more than 3 or multiple of 3 bases. In case of frame shift mutation, if there is a deletion or insertion occurs of 1 base or 2 bases, there will be change occurs. And in case of frame shift mutation, the example is Duchenne muscular dystrophy, cystic fibrosis. Number 3 is mutation by deletion or insertion of 3 or multiple of 3 bases. When there is a deletion or insertion of 3 base or more than 3 bases, that is known as the mutation by deletion or insertion of 3 or multiple of 3 bases. And number 4 is triplet repeat mutation. Another name of triplet repeat mutation is unstable mutation or dynamic mutation. In case of this triplet repeat repeat mutation, the gene amplification occurs by addition of successive nucleotide such as 3 nucleotide base sequence involving coding or non-coding region. Normally this triplet repeat mutation occurs in the gametogenesis process. Normally triplet repeat mutation, in the triplet repeat mutation, triplet repeat number will be added normally, but that will not cross the threshold level. If the triplet repeat number will cross the threshold level, then the mutation occurs. So when small number of triplet repeating is occur, then that is known as the pre-mutation process. Then in that process the carrier will be the present, not the disease process. But in case of the triplet repeat mutation, when there will be excess above the threshold level, triplet number is added, then there will be the mutation and there will be the disease process. So as in the gametogenesis process, triplet repeat mutation occurs, mainly it involves in the oogenesis process, not in the spermatogenesis process. And in case of triplet repeat mutation, the example is Fragile X syndrome, Huntington disease. So male may be the carrier, but female may be the diseased. And these are all about the mutation, classification of mutation, and total description of mutation. So thank you all for your patience and hearing. Thank you.